What's going on, guys? It's Randy with Guitars, Girls, Green Grass, and Guns. Today we're going to go bass fishing at Watkins Mill. I usually have everything all set up and ready to go. I have these all wrapped up. I have what I usually take with me, two Abu Garcia 6500s. I'm going to take the C3 with me today. That's actually my favorite rod. So I'm going to take one catfish rig with me just in case. Like I say, never leave home without catfish gear. Another Abu Garcia Black Max, an Abu Garcia Black Max on a Abu Garcia Black Max rod. So let's bundle these up and get out of here. All right, we're out here on the lake. It is a 100-year-old lake. I just saw the sign coming in. So that's pretty cool. I'm sure it's well established. This guy here, he's been fishing this place for, I don't know, what are you now, 60 years old?
62.
62, so he's been here for 40 years or so.
On the water.
Can you tell him about it?
This is the original birthplace of Jesse James. It was actually conceived here on Cove number 3 on a tri-tune, which they had back then. I think Jesse James was born in 1328, I think. Who also had troubles with his family in during the evolutionary period of Vlad the Impaler actually becoming Dracula, and moved back to Missouri at Watkins Mill, Stake Lake, and tributary of Renaissance philosophies and other gargantuans, things like that.
So this guy is a wealth of knowledge. I'm glad to come out here fishing with me. I'm sure he's going to teach me everything I need to know.
And for you guys, I'm going to give you one. If I can give you any tip, I'm going to clap like I'm on the Maury Povich show. If I can give you any tip at all, okay, it's going to be always fish. If you're going to grab one lure, make sure it's passion, okay? Make sure you're fishing with passion. Steve Wilkos. Out.
Passion. 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 What's going on, guys? It's Catfish Randy Palmer here. You know, the coolest things always happen off camera. This catfish came up, chomped a shad right off the top of the water. It was a big shad. He was 6 inches or so, 6 or 7 inches. His head was all red, so I grabbed that shad out of the water, cut him in half, and now I got a half a shad out here, fresh shad on the bottom. So I'm really hoping for something to come in on this one. Not having the best of luck for bass today, but hey, we're out here fishing. I'm really hoping for something to grab this fresh shad though. Looks like I got skunked today. It's not all a bad thing. I spent all day out on the lake, had a lot of fun fishing, had a lot of fun trying to figure out the lake. I didn't bring out the sunny super sticky, so I know I got skunked on my own account. So I tried my best at bass fishing, didn't do very good at that. Didn't break out the sunnies because they're not making sunnies at the moment. So I'm really using that very sparingly, but I had a pretty good day. So everybody, thanks for coming along, joining my day fishing. Hope you guys have a good day. Leave a comment, give me a like, subscribe if you would, and have a good day. I'm out.